Hi everyone, it's Dee from Gastrofork here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Roomba 960. I've had it for a couple months now. I got it for Christmas and I wanted to share my experience with it. First of all, it's super convenient. Being a very lazy person that doesn't like doing chores, it's so great to have a robot to do my vacuuming for me. It's just perfect. What I really like is that you can use the app on your phone and schedule times for it to clean your house. The app is also very useful because it'll let you know if your Roomba is full or it needs to be emptied, and if it gets stuck anywhere as well. It also gives you statistics on how long it takes to clean and how much of your house it does clean. The Roomba itself is round in shape, which helps it get into a lot of spaces, but I feel like sometimes it misses some spaces. For my place, which is about 800 to 900 square feet, it takes about 40 minutes to be done one full clean cycle. It goes through each room at least twice, and currently I don't let it into 2 of the rooms just because it's a little bit difficult and messy in those 2 rooms. I believe that the Roomba does learn every single time it's on and will learn to be smarter as it cleans your place more frequently. I think the only issue with that is that my place it doesn't stay the same. Sometimes there's boxes in like certain areas, or there's other things on my floor, and that's another gripe I have. I usually have to stop and pick up everything that I don't want to get stuck in the Roomba off the floor before I can run the Roomba. Its suction power is good. Sometimes it does miss some dirt, and if you have a thick amount of dust in certain areas, it won't get all of it, but generally speaking, it does a good job. The Roomba will also return to its base if it's running out of batteries. Overall, I think the Roomba is a good investment, especially if you want to just clean on a more frequent basis and keep your place tidy. I don't think I would recommend it for deep cleaning, but it is very handy. Do you guys have a Roomba, and what kind of Roomba do you have? Do you find that it works well? Also, if you guys have any other questions about this specific Roomba, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!